Hey, this is Bob Mann from drvolts.com. We're in Larkins Motorsports to do some dyno testing. I'm going to show you how the new Motorsports Personal Flasher works. Plug it in, and then we're going to go to the software. Okay, so we're all plugged in. All we have to do is open up the software, go in and find our car, and we're going to find the last car that we did, which was this. And then we're going to go down. Pretty simple. Find the ECM that we're working on. Connect to it. And key is on at this point. Gonna want to shut it off. This is part of the process of it ID in the car. And it's found the car. Now it's going to go hot. Okay, we're ready to go. We can either load the file that we've already had set up in all files, or we can generate a new session that we just started, and we can update the file. It always comes with the original file, the latest update, but don't click on that, because as soon as you click on it, it's going to install it. So that's how easy it is on the software. Now we're going to go to dyno and show you how much horsepower we make.